to our channel, the go-to destination for all things interior design, home improvement, and modern living inspiration. In this exciting video, we are showcasing 100 new modular kitchen design ideas for 2025. A curated collection of trendy, functional, and innovative kitchen designs to help you create the perfect heart of your home. Kitchens are no longer just cooking spaces. They are a hub of family gatherings, social interactions, and a reflection of your personal style. With 2025 just around the corner, we've compiled the latest trends, ideas, and inspirations from modern modular kitchens that are as practical as they are stunning. What you'll find in this video: Keycap 1 cutting-edge modular kitchen designs. Explore a variety of layouts, from L-shaped, U-shaped, galley kitchens, to open-plan concepts that maximize functionality and style. Keycap 2 smart storage solutions. Discover innovative storage ideas like pull-out cabinets, hidden pantry systems, modular drawers, and corner-saving designs to declutter and organize your kitchen effortlessly. Keycap 3 trendy materials for 2025. Learn about the best materials for cabinets, countertops, and backsplashes, including quartz, marble, wood, and stainless steel, ensuring your kitchen is durable and chic. Keycap 4 color schemes and finishes. From minimalist white and beige tones to bold and vibrant colors like navy blue, emerald green, and matte black, find color combinations that will make your kitchen stand out. Keycap 5 smart and sustainable kitchens. Get inspired by eco-friendly designs and the integration of smart technology, such as touchless faucets, LED lighting, and energy-efficient appliances. Keycap 6 unique design elements. Explore how to add personality to your kitchen with features like custom lighting, statement island designs, open shelving, and artistic backsplashes. Why watch this video? Whether you're a homeowner looking to renovate, a designer searching for fresh ideas, or a kitchen enthusiast curious about modern trends, this video has something for everyone. We've included ideas for all kitchen sizes, from compact urban kitchens to spacious, luxury designs, ensuring you'll find plenty of inspiration no matter your style or budget. Stay connected. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring interior design ideas, kitchen trends, and home improvement tips. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Sparkles, comment below to share your favorite ideas, and let us know which kitchen design trend excites you the most.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's